Demystifying the term backup in English. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into a very useful term in the English language, backup. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meanings and how to use it in various contexts. When we talk about backup, one of the first meanings that come to mind is the idea of support or assistance. 1. In general context, I'll be your backup can mean, I'll support or help you if needed. 2. In teams or groups, sometimes, in sports or games, a backup player is someone who replaces a main player if they can't play. Example, is Jane playing tonight? No, she's injured, so her backup will play instead. Backup is also a common term in the tech world. 1. Data duplication. It refers to creating a copy of data to prevent data loss. This way, if something goes wrong with the original data, there's a backup available. Example, I accidentally deleted my essay, but thankfully I had a backup on my external hard drive. Ever been stuck in traffic and heard someone say there's a backup? Here's what it means. 1. Traffic delay. It refers to a situation where vehicles are delayed and moving slowly due to an issue on the road. Example, there's a backup on the highway because of an accident. There are some phrases in English that use the term backup to convey specific meanings. 1. Backup plan, an alternative plan in case the original one fails. 2. Back up your claims. Provide evidence or support for what you're saying. Example, if it rains, our backup plan is to have the party indoors. You say you've traveled the world? Can you back up your claims with photos? There you have it. Now you know the various meanings of backup in English. Remember, context is key when determining its exact meaning in a sentence. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing, and see you next time.